Hi everyone, welcome to this video. If you are new in running LLM application in your laptop, then you must be confused whether should I use Ollama or should I use Docker Model Runner. While both of these tools are amazing for running LLM application, but they have a different use cases. Some use cases might fit for your project and some might not. In this video, we will actually break it down at different features and how you can leverage for your project, and it might help you to choose the right tool for your project. So let's dive into it. Here are some of the key aspects of Docker Model Runner and Ollama. Docker Model Runner is an effort by Docker to be in the forefront of the AI ML ecosystem for developers. Remember, Ollama was the first mover and it got really popular, and Docker has caught up really well with this approach. Deployment is the key. Having a native Docker-based container application, it makes it easier to deploy in Kubernetes environment. However, you can achieve the same objective using Ollama as well, because they have a native GPU support, and you can essentially run Ollama through a Docker container as well, which works pretty well, and we will explain in this video. Supporting of the model, right now Ollama leading the pack, because as soon as a model is dropped, you can see hundreds of variants of models from Hugging Face is already available in Ollama, and Docker is catching up. Ease of use, I would say both are pretty ease of use, very user friendly. One key aspect here is that Docker Model Runner is more suited for MacBook users and Ollama works pretty much everywhere, and both are equally highly customizable. There's a web page explaining the feature of Docker Model Runner, and you can see it still is on beta phase and is only available in Apple Silicon, and the page is very well descriptive, and if you follow the instruction you should be able to run it. And I was just simply following the instructions and I was able to run on my MacBook, both Pro and Mini. And here you can see all the list of available models, and they are keeping it up to date. In order to use Docker Model Runner in your MacBook, make sure you are using the latest version of Docker, which is 4.40 onwards. And once you have that, then you have to manually enable the Model Runner feature into the Docker desktop app. And I would also like to enable the TCP connect option so that you can actually develop an application and play around with that. Example could be simply running a Streamlit based chatbot. And now I can simply do a Docker model ls, which will show me any available model that I have. And now once it is enabled, I can download and run any open source model using AI / in this example I'm using Qwen 2.5. Based on your internet speed, it will download, and once it is downloaded, the prompt will be available right away to explore any chat option. Here you can see I'm asking a simple question and it is doing an inference on my machine as I speak. Now also make sure that you are able to fire through HTTP as well using curl command to make sure the connection to your backend model runner is working from command and as well as HTTP. In order to install Ollama in Windows, simply go to the Ollama website and download for your platform. In this case, I'll be using Windows, and in Mac is a similar setup. Once installed, make sure you are able to access it through command line. Ollama PS is the way to see if any models are running, and on the one side I have the Ollama website to make sure I can pick the model which I want to run. In this case I'm choosing DeepSeek R1, and you can simply copy and paste the instruction given over there, which is Ollama run or Ollama pull. Also validate if you have any GPU. In my case I have NVIDIA, and you can check NVIDIA SMI. In case of AMD you can do the similar commands. That will make sure that you are able to run using the GPU acceleration, because that will make really dramatic improvement in your overall LLM performance. Once the model is downloaded and running, you can simply use the prompt, and you can always refer it through the API as well on their designated port. And I can check here, I can be sure that it is using GPU for inference, and if I do NVIDIA SMI, it will show me that it is running on the GPU as well. So that was a quick example how to use Ollama with GPU in Windows. So here is a rundown what we saw. If you need more flexibility and you are already comfortable with Docker platform, then Docker Model Runner might be good for you. But remember one thing, as of today, Docker Model Runner is not readily available on Windows and other laptops where you need a specialized GPU acceleration support. It works natively on Mac OS. On the other hand, if you just want to get started with any LLM application without too much of fuss, then Ollama still remains the best option. Remember one thing, you can still run Ollama using Docker container. But remember one thing, it actually depends upon the use case and also the availability of hardware. What hardware do you have? If you are looking for running a full-blown enterprise level inference application, then either of them may not be the right solution. You might go with something else such as VLLM or Hugging Face, TGI. For all software development purpose and local environment, I would say Docker Model Runner and Ollama both are equally good, so that you can get started and later on you can productionize your system using more high performance inference solution such as VLLM and TGI by Hugging Face. And all of these solutions you can still run in Docker with AMD or NVIDIA support. Thank you for watching this video. See you again.